Alright, yo, what is up? We are at Massapequa Creek with the geese. Hello, geese. What is up? There's some swans here, too. We're checking it out today. Yesterday was not so good. But I have a good feeling about today with the ducks and the geese. We're working our way down the river, but I'll probably get back, stream, creek. I'll get back up on the creek. Work my way back up. It's looking good. It's looking good over here. There's a lot of garbage, a lot of trash. It really bothers me. There's a nice big hole here, big area, and you can wade up from here. It's nice, but there's so much trash further up. This is almost down. This is kind of breakish water here. Breakish. This is what I came down here to fish, is this pool right here. I mean, I had to catch you. That's all I wanted to do was catch you. You've been messing around the whole time. You off? You're off. Alright. Alright, Blues. Let's see if you got somebody up past you. Oh, should have known it was a gilly. Another gilly? Are you gone? You still on, bro? Still on. Where are you at? There, the bluegills. Hello, my friend. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. This is like, I was right near the parking and the train. But yeah, they have no appreciation for what is in there. There's trout in there. Get the heck out of here. But how can you do this to fish? The people don't believe there's fish in here, right? Why do people think water is garbage? Oh, is there water? Oh, that's my garbage can. How is water your garbage can, people? didn't put any floaty on it. I'll give that little hole a shot. Then I'll wrestle with that branch and I'll turn off the camera. No. Sad from Massapequa Creek. Sad. Here in the creek, we are sad. The creek is sad. No, come on, buddy. You're coming. You're coming over here. You're coming over here on the beastly ant. What is up? Hello, brown trout. Hello, brown trout. Nice brown trout. Decent size. All right. So it was a pretty good day. We got a brown, we got a bunch of bluegills, and we talked to a lot of people. There were a lot of people wanting to see what was going on. They're like, yo, what's up? What up? Everybody, but that's it. Okay, so for 4 days, I could not stop thinking about the trash. Look at all that trash that was there. And I caught that nice brown trout not more than 10 yards from there. So I came back and I cleaned it up. I didn't clean the whole thing. I did the best that I could. It was an overwhelming amount of trash, debris, things that some like garments everywhere in that like thicket on the right hand side of the screen there were so many cans and plastic cups just thrown down in there, and I did my best to get in, and I crawled around in there and I pulled out everything that I could see, but only one person, and I just couldn't do it all. I really tried. You see, I mean, I sped this up to 10 times. So I did the best I could. All right. So it's 4 days later. I'm doing the best I can to clean up the garbage. I started like at that tree. I'm not going to the parking lot. I just can't do it all on my own. I already got an entire bag. I cleaned up all this. Couple pieces I gotta get in here. I'm gonna work up in this little zone up in here, but I got a whole bag of garbage. This isn't all trees and bushes. This is all real garbage in here. It's garbage. So I ended up, I went back to the spot where I had caught that brown trout, and I threw a couple casts in there, and then I looked down and there was so much more stuff, really in the water. I mean, beer can after beer bottle pieces, clothing, plastic bags, 4 Loco cans. I mean, again, I'm not trying to be real preachy, but the amount of people that walked by me and didn't even look at me, like, okay, I know you're not looking at the trash, but you don't even want to look at the guy who's trying to, like, clean up the trash, like there's something wrong with me for cleaning up the trash, you know? So, look, even fishing lines stuck in there. I mean, I got everything that I could see that I wasn't gonna, go diving too deep. I only had 1 glove left. So, and then there was somebody's, like, bracelet was in here. I grabbed that too. I mean, you don't even know what is in here. So much. Here's this little bracelet. Crazy. Alright, so cleaning mission is complete. And put a couple casts down. We didn't get anything on it. I just wanted to say thank you again and clean up the house for that nice brown. Definitely. Midge hatch. Something. Gnats, whatever. They're everywhere. So it's hot enough. Let's see if we can get some in Mary's hole. Let's go. You will come to say hello, Mr. Swan. Hello. Hello. Thank you for your visit, Mr. Swan. Bluegill? Is it a movie? What? Little guy. A little trout. It looked like you were hooking. Okay, enough of that, huh? Alright, so back. Massapequa Creek was good. Nothing at Mary's hole. Really a quiet day. I had a couple strikes. I foul hooked something that was just like a small, probably a small trout, it's like a fingerling, I don't know. But it's looking pretty good. It's a beautiful day just to be out. But the chill's in the air now, so I'm heading back. Alright, fly OG.